That's it for Disneyland.
That's it for Disneyland. We're off
to Paris.
Gay Paris. we have had a wonderful time here.
We have.
We highly recommend the hotel. It was just outside of the Disney perimeter, I guess, but its shuttle was perfect. It was constant and never really too full, except last night. So yeah, we do recommend it. We didn't look at it to begin with, but in the end we did decide that the main ones were too expensive, and we loved it. We loved it here. It was great.
Very
Dream
nice.
Castle Hotel, we give it a 10 out of 10, yeah?
Absolutely.
Well, we're going to go to the airport to a hotel, and then we're thinking about taking a trip into Paris. We have been to Paris before, but we thought we might go again and do something fun like a Sand River cruise, or who knows what we'll do. Let's go get the bolts.
Let's go. We're in a self-drive Tesla. Check this out. It drives itself.
And we're a little bit excited because we're not allowed to use self-drive in Australia.
No, we're not. No, that's mad. Get a lot of drunks home from the pub, wouldn't it? So this is the Ibis Paris CDG. We're staying here. This is our room, 1019.
Obviously this is the bathroom.
Oh,
It's not bad. Looks like it's been renovated.
that's nuts. Little work desk, little packaging station for your clothes, extra pillow, cupboard. Yeah, quite nice. Look, we get 2 lollipops. That's cute. This is the view from. Oh, look at that! We can see the airport. But there is no bar fridge. TV, workstation. You got 2 USBs there.
Pretty basic room, but it does the job.
Yeah.
It's basically at Terminal 3, and we haven't seen it yet, but we're about a minute away from the train station or whatever it's called that takes us to Terminal 2, Terminal 1, the parkings, whatever. So I chose this one because it's the closest one to the airport train, which is free as far as I know. So yeah, works well. There are other hotels here all along this strip here. There's some beautiful ones, Pullman and Novotel, but we chose this one because it's the closest and we don't have to walk too far tomorrow with all these suitcases.
And then there's a flight display. What have they got here? Baggage room? Foosball table? What's this? Pretty cool, the interactive games. You just move around and it does it for you. Let's see how this works. Start. This is Frisbee golf. Oh, into the bushes. Okay, let's try again. That's enough. Oh look, what's this? H2O. It's got water. You can fill your bottle up. We just put and kiddie play area. Oh look at pinball. Star Wars. Computer terminals. If you need to check in. But you got to pay for it, €2.
Okay, but it's
Available. Yeah, pretty good to weigh your bags.
And you've got someone who's a fan of Star Wars.
Star Wars, yes. This is Star Wars territory here. Whew. I'm guessing down there, this one must be a big Star Wars fan. So I've got pizzas here as well. How much is a pizza? €13 for a pizza. The railway station, yeah.
And there it is there, right there.
And this is where we're going to have breakfast. Coffee time. Gotta have coffee in the morning. This is the breakfast area. Cutlery, plates, cold meats, fruit. We got the bread station, the toaster, the cereals. You have all different cheeses. Coffee machine, coffee cups, fruits. You got peanut butter and different spreads. Nutella. You know what? I'm not thinking. Okay, next time. Pancake. And that's breakfast here at the Ibis Styles in France. I'm going to go have some now.